Caopixx Summer Dress, 2019 Women Teen Girls Button by Caopixx dress is one of the best sellers among baby absorption sleeves products. Elastic closure. Women dresses plus size sexy women dresses plus size casual women dresses plus size for work women dresses plus size summer women dresses plus size clearance women dresses plus size maxi women dresses plus size on sale women dresses with pockets prime women dresses for wedding guest halter women dresses for wedding guest with sleeves casual summer maxi women's dresses casual summer with sleeves women dresses for party special occasions women dresses summer plus size women dresses for work summer dresses for women plus size casual beach dresses for women beach dresses for women beach women dresses on sale women maxi dresses summer dresses for women maxi summer dresses for women with lace summer dresses for women with long sleeve summer dresses align summer dresses and skirts for women. Shirts t-shirts men's t-shirts for men t-shirt for men funny t-shirts white shirt cotton shirts t-shirt design men's t-shirts white t-shirt denim shirt cheap t-shirts shirts online cool t-shirts casual shirts for men t-shirts online t-shirt shop white shirt for men fitted shirts long t-shirt custom t-shirts short sleeve shirts black shirt for men denim shirt long sleeve blouse black long sleeve blouse white blouse long sleeve women's long sleeve blouses white long sleeve blouse women's black long sleeve blouse women's long sleeve cotton blouses women's long sleeve blouses sale full sleeves t-shirts for women's full sleeve shirts for women's full sleeve t-shirts for ladies full sleeve t-shirts full sleeve shirts for ladies full sleeve t-shirts for women's online black full sleeve t-shirts for women's teal shirt women's pretty shirts for women popular women's shirts halter shirts for women's cute white lace dress cute black and white dresses prom dress shops cheap dresses online cheap evening dresses cheap women's dresses sundress women off the shoulder short sleeve high-low cocktail skater. Dress features. 1. It is made of high-quality materials, durable and not for your daily wearing. 2. Stylish and fashion design make you more attractive. 3. This printed dress is gorgeous. Loving the lace and how comfy it is? Don't miss out on this must-have dress. 4. Great for party, daily, casual, I am sure you will like it. Product information. Season, spring, summer, autumn, winter. Gender, women. Material, polyester. Sleeve length, long sleeve sleeveless. Style, casual. How to wash, hand wash cold, hang or line dry. What you get. 1 PC women dress. Left parenthesis. Woman's summer spaghetti strap floral print bohemian maxi beach dress sexy beach dress boho beach dress for women knee-length beach dress long sleeve women beach dress women shirt dress long sleeve women shirt dress short sleeve women tunic dress 2018 plus size lace dresses for women black t-shirt dress for women shirt dress with belt plus size dress for women long party dresses for women long sleeve party dresses for women long sleeve t-shirt dress women sweater dresses for women plus size elegant prom dresses for women beach dresses casual beach dress for women strap party dress women's strap dresses women's halter dresses summer long dress comfy dress for women women's slim dress cheap women's dresses tunic mini dress for women maxi dresses formal dresses prom dresses evening dresses summer dresses evening gowns white dress dresses online long dresses dress design gown cocktail dresses women's clothes homecoming dresses long sleeve dress party dresses casual dresses floral dresses ladies dress white maxi dress black dress reed dress little black dress shirt dress for women women's dresses spring dresses girls dresses long evening dresses formal gowns women dresses online occasion dresses white dresses for women lace dress